Welcome back. We are joined now by Manpreet Joshi from Sia Immigration Solutions. It's great to have you back on the show, Manpreet.
Thank you again.
Yes, we are talking today. We always sort of do a bit of a different topic with you. Today we're talking about student visas and admissions.
Yes, so it's for international students who are, looking to get admission into the various colleges, various universities, different programs in Canada, and eventually, targeting to apply student visa from overseas to come here, get a study permit, and then study here in Canada. And down the line, they'll even get a work permit, and they have an opportunity to apply permanent residency under various federal and provincial programs.
Okay, so what are the requirements? What do you have to do to make this happen?
Well, there are different requirements at different schools and, different colleges and different universities. But there are a few basic requirements that are set out by IRCC. It's like they must have an English exam. Well, the students who are already studying in Canada and have at least done one program in Canada, I'm talking about international students only, they can be waived off for their English requirements for certain programs. For an example, if a student has done 1-year diploma in accounting from ABC University, and now looking to do another year in a business or accounting or a little higher in accounting from another university, there are chances that their English requirements might be waived off.
Okay, and is that a big deal for some? I guess that's a big deal for some people.
It is in a way, but the English requirements are not too high for Canada. They're good.
Okay.
They're okay for a lot of students to get through. And the other requirement is that they must choose a program that is directly related to their previous field of study,
okay,
if they do not have a study permit yet.
Okay.
This is very crucial in getting a study permit approved for Canada.
Okay, so something similar to what they've already studied.
Yes,
okay.
Yes, and we provide, kind of a very descriptive consultation and to students and information how they can choose various options to them, and we assist them in filing the student visa after admissions too. And we help them in getting admissions to the various schools and then the student visa. And here also we help them in extending their study permit. And there is another, another thing that I would like to mention, that some students, are looking for the in-Canada transfers. Like they're already studying in a university, but they're looking there to transfer to a different one. Mm-hmm. Even with the credit transfers that they have already studied. We help in those too. We do not charge any fee for this. It's all, when they come to us for the immigration consultation, we do have a fee, initial consultation involved. But when they come to us for the student consultation, the admission consultation, we do not charge anything.
Okay.
So it's all free service for them. We do provide them the post-landing settlement services to where to find a job, how to settle in Canada. So it all comes with an admission through us, and and filing a visa. And if they are transferring a school within Canada, it is very, very important that they must change their DLI.
Okay, and what is that?
So DLI is a designated learning institute number.
Okay.
Every university or college or any other institute in Canada that is allowed to have international students must have DLI. Mm-hmm. And then every time a student gets a study permit with Canadian Immigration, their DLI is written on the study permit. Now, when the student, changes or transfers a school within Canada and they do not change their DLI with immigration, it is not very good for their future immigration applications, the study permit extensions, postgraduate work permits, and permanent residency.
It makes it more complicated? Okay.
Yes.
As a whole, and speaking in generalities, what is it that you offer with all of this information that makes it so much more easy? If somebody's to try to immigrate without sort of speaking with professionals,
yes,
how much time are you costing yourself, and energy? Quite a bit.
Yes. And a lot of time they don't know, they're unsure that if this program is really kind of same what they have previously studied. Because in the student visa application, like we have offices in India, various parts of North India. We help them in the student visa filing there too. They can visit in person. We have staff there. And they're unsure if they're a bona fide student, how to present that they are a bona fide student, what characteristics in the application that we need to highlight to convince an immigration officer that they're good, they're capable. So all this. And also for admissions, we help them to choose a program that best suits their needs. Like we ask them, okay, what are their future goals?
Sure.
They say, okay, I think I'll open up a business. I might look into the permanent residency option. I would like to, do this kind of job. So based on that, we say, okay, so then this program will eventually help you in permanent residency more easily. You should take a business program, or if you wanted to go to IT as a job, maybe this is better based on your previous studies and in the light of your future goals, And also, we also try our best to, to help them in getting the transfer credits, not only from within Canada universities, but also from overseas.
Excellent. All right.
So sometimes they can get the credits for the courses that they have studied overseas.
Which is excellent, right? You're streamlining the process is what
Yes,
you're doing.
yes.
All right. Always a pleasure to have you on the
Yes.
show. Thank you for being here.
Thank you again.
Yes, if you have questions about immigration, if you know somebody that might need some help with immigration questions, you can certainly reach out to Sia Immigration. The information is on the screen. We are back in a quick couple of minutes. Stay with us.